So we had started working with Autocrat and had established the mapping between the data from spreadsheet and the template. Now we were talking about setting merge condition, which is only required when you want Autocrat to process only selected records. So for now, I'm not adding any condition. Now I go to next. Now it says, do you want to share the processed doc and send emails? So now if you would actually like the certificate or the salary slip to go to that particular person, so you would like to share the document, then you will have to select yes. If you do not want it to be shared and you just want it to be stored in your system, then you can keep it as a no. Now, once you click on yes, there will be some fields that you have to fill in. The first is, do you want to share the doc as PDF? So yes, you cannot change this as you selected PDF earlier. Do you want to allow the collaborators to reshare? You would generally not want it to be reshared. Now, the last and final important thing is this. Now, this is the content that would go along with the mail that would contain the certificate or the salary slip. Now, here you need to specify some important things. The first is the email of the person to whom the slip has to go. For that, again, as we did earlier, what you have to do is click on this icon. So, again, you have to click on this. Now, once you click on it, you will be again able to see the tabs. So, I'm going to click on it. Now, here you have all those tags. From this, I'm going to choose the tag email ID. Now, I selected email ID and I'm going to do a control V here. So I pasted that email ID. So now what will happen is when the mail will be sent for each record, it will pick the data of the email ID from the spreadsheet. Now here you can add a CC or a BCC, and here you have to provide the subject. So let's say I want to say salary slip for the month of. Again, if you want to add the month, you just have to click here, select month, do a control V. So here the subject would be salary slip for the month of whatever month you're referring to. Now here you can type a message. So this is the message that will be going along with the document. So you can say there, and you can provide the name here. So for that, again, go here, select name, control V. So this is where name comes. Please find attached the salary slip for the month of. Again, click this, select month, paste it, and then regards, accounts department, and anything else that you would like to go along with this mail. So this is the standard structure that has been created, and the values for these will be picked up from the spreadsheet. Once you're ready with the main structure, you have to go to next. Now, there are two options here that talk about when do you want this job to be done. So the first is run on form trigger. Now this is what says that do you want this autocrat to execute and run for each document when you trigger it or not. So for now, I'm going to do a yes here. Second is run on time trigger, when you want it to be executed in some time. In such a case, you will have to set up a time trigger. So for that, you select a yes here and then you specify if you want to run it every 1 hour. I'm going to save this for now, and in the next, we'll see how this works.